Welcome. In front of me I have the HUAWEI Watch Fit. Says new. Not exactly sure if it's actually new. It looks identical to something that I'm pretty sure I already did unbox. So anyway, I just jump straight to it. A couple information at the front. We have a long battery life. Yeah, that doesn't really cut it. I want numbers, not general consensus of time. Then we have 1.64 AMOLED display. I'm surprised that they didn't put semi-big display for a watch or something along those lines, considering that long battery life. Then we have all-day SpO2 monitoring. I believe that's the blood oxygenation. And at the back we have a couple additional information. Again, all day. I mean, I sure damn hope it is all day, unless your battery dies. Again, the display size, again the long battery life. We have 12 animated fitness courses, 96 workout modes, full health monitoring, built-in GPS. That's actually quite neat. And 5 atmosphere water resistant. Now this 5 atmosphere is about 50 meters. So anyway, I just pop it open. Now one thing that I do have to give props is this thing right here. As you can see, it's not glued in. Taking pointers I see from Apple to actually open up your boxes, though there's just rips. This one just pulls off. There we go. It's on both sides. And inside, at the top, nothing. Then we get the watch itself. As you can see, this is the, what is it, pink, gold, whatever they're calling it. Watch Fit, Sakura pink. Okay then. Now in here we got a charging cable. It's magnetic, as you can see. So you just kind of flop it on the underneath side of it. And here we got booklets. So I don't really care for that. Leave that to the side. And let's look at the watch. There we go, it's turning on. Also get rid of this. Now I'll be pairing it with my old phone. So let's see, do I have to do it right away? Yep, I do. And I believe it's done through this crappy app, so I'm gonna connect it right over here. I just do it this way, it probably will be quicker. There we go. Bluetooth message syncing, sure. What could possibly go wrong on a video? Pairing. Paired. Your personal information such as health and fitness data, notifications, location, contacts, blah blah blah. Auto download updates and auto install. Sure. On the second thought, that probably was a bad idea, because there's a chance it's going to start updating right now, but hopefully not. Okay, so look at that. We can actually change this little interface to something more Christmassy. Are you effing kidding me? I have to pay for it? Visible confusion on my face right now if you could only see it. Great. Let me just quickly get rid of everything that is running in the background, all my notifications, so I can get to this as though without actually showing any personal information there. I'm still, there we go. I love how they're saying watch faces, then you try to get it and it's paid one. That's just an absolute scam move. So anyway, let's just actually look at the watch itself. We only have one button on it. So got some notifications right here. You can access settings, display, what we got on the display. Watch faces, standby watch, whatever, favorites. Oh, just the different things. How do I go back then? Oh, you swipe, okay. Let's go back to these settings because I wanted to see what's in there. Not disturb and display. Brightness, auto. Oh, there we go. Okay. So it is at the brightest one. Advanced. Nothing special. So yeah, there's not much to it, to be honest. We have the heart rate monitoring, stress monitoring. I'm certainly not gonna put that on my hand because of this one. I'm kind of curious if it's similar to what is my watch showing me. Where's my weather? Alright, it doesn't actually show me weather right now. Nice. What's the weather? I'd really like to... What is the weather? Forget to like, but hopefully it will... Oh, there we go. Hey. Okay, so it actually shows basically the same info, right? Or was it? 8 Celsius. High. Can I like view more here? Apparently not. Okay, this is basically all the information that we get. Okay, I mean the weather is actually correct, so at the moment, so that's at least good. Anything else? Music player and just a tracker for steps, timer of some sorts, whatever. And then we get back to the actual watch face. So there's not much to it, to be honest. I'm actually gonna give you a little comparison to something that also has a squarish display that I actually have on hand, pun intended. So it's the Apple Watch. I think it was just Watch, and that's it. And this is the 46 version with the curved screen. So you can see the size comparison. The height of it is about the same, though the width of them, or the height of them, the width is the same, right? No, okay, I was correct the first time. So this is the width. The width is a little bit smaller for this. So obviously, this specific one probably better for women with petite wrist hands, just like mine. But yeah, it seems like an okay fitness tracker. Can't really call it a smartwatch. It doesn't really have any kind of Google or Android Wear OS or anything like that. It just gives you a fitness on a bigger screen. It does the same thing that, for instance, Xiaomi Mi Band 6 will do, but on a more visible display, and looks a little bit more stylish. And that's about it. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.